My future belongs to me. My future is my name in bright lights, on set in the middle of nowhere.
Hey, it's me. My older self, you finally conquered those demons that were in your head.
Yes, I'm different, but we all bleed the same blood and breathe the same air.
You found a door leading you to light. You followed it, leading to where you are now.
It felt like it was impossible and the whole world was against you. But now, you don't have to fight anymore, but don't give up.
Doing what I love, for who I love. Representing my Yemeni roots.
Why treat me differently to those who are up to society standards? I hide my emotions and put a fake smile on my face. Amirah stands tall in front of me, reflecting every inch of my insecurities.
Now, you're more confident than ever. Now, this time you're not going to let them people get into your head.
Your struggle does not make you weak, it makes you human. Those mental illnesses do not define me because I am a survivor.
Whatever I will become, I will do it with love, passion and respect.
Just listen to the voice that speaks inside. You're gonna listen to the voice in your head.
Hey, it's me. I'm still alive, watching the sunrise as each day passes. It's almost as if the sun says, wake up, live your life. But my mind says no. You've made too many grave mistakes, you do not deserve to live. It feels as if I'm trapped in this cycle of depression, loneliness and guilt. It's like screaming but no one can hear me. The only safe place I have is my bedroom, where I cry endlessly for nights and nights, as I put my hand over my mouth, hoping no one can hear my whimpering. I feel like giving up. I'm not strong enough, or am I? I'm fighting something that's invisible. What I do know is that I failed you, but you say we'll get better. But it's like I'm running around in this maze, surrounded by the nightmares that haunt me day and night, surrounded by the darkness, overwhelmed by shame.
Hello? It's me. Can you hear me? Look, I just want to say you have my future in your hands. My choices and my decisions. While I am down here doing everything I can to make you as better as possible. Trying my hardest. I'm confident you can make it some way.
Hey, it's me. I'm still here, but broken, and I need someone to pick up the pieces that were once whole. Every time I lie down, I get these flashbacks, rewinding themselves over and over and over again, stripping my joy and my ability to make myself feel real happiness. But the one thing it did not take away from me was my ability to smile, to mask the pain, hanging on by a thread, day by day, trying to stay alive for the ones I love. My 11-year-old self, can you see me? Can't you see that I'm hurting? I'm sorry I turned out to be this way. It was nothing what you expected. You were an innocent flower who bloomed open to be this damaged, lonesome person. Am I even a person? I feel like I'm floating outside my body, hating what I say, pointing out every single imperfection. And without even realizing, my fingers demand me to tear at my scalp, tearing every hair, making me feel less of a person. As I pulled and pulled, I realized it was my only comfort soothing me through my journey. I want to stop, but it was the only thing that was there for me. It felt like it was the person telling me they will not let go, not knowing it was wrecking my mental health and well-being. And then it suddenly stops. I don't have the urge anymore. It's kind of a relief, but at the same time it's not. It was the only thing that kept me busy. To distract me from all the pain and trauma, the pains that made me picture things I did not want to see, like being in this dark room. Then one day I find myself at 4 a.m. staring at the ceiling, trying to escape from reality. But it's like it's chasing me. It keeps running and it doesn't stop.
She woke up every morning with a worry on her chest. She felt she wasn't good enough, even though she was trying her best. Be yourself. Wake up with a positive mind. Inspire others, just be one of a kind. Forget about the past, but think about the future. But don't forget when you were 7-year-old, you used to sit on your bed and think, what do I want to be when I'm older? You had so many dreams you wanted to accomplish. All of them can be made, but you're just letting them walk past by. Live your happiest life, but don't be surprised when reality kicks back in. Get up and think straight. Be who you want to be, not the people on the TV. I hope you took this as a valuable lesson, because speeches don't come like this when you want it to come, but when you need it to come. Love you, and remember, whatever you do, I'm proud to be you.
Hey, it's me. You've nearly made it. My older self, you finally conquered those demons that were in your head. It felt like it was impossible and the whole world was against you. But now, you don't have to fight anymore, but don't give up. Your struggle does not make you weak, it makes you human. Those mental illnesses do not define me because I am a survivor. And so are you.
هناك ناس سمعوا إن الوطن غالي. هناك ناس سمعوا إن الوطن غالي فباعوه. لم يعرفوا إن الوطن حضن أمه وأبوه. ما عرفوا إن بيتي الأول بيتي والبيت الثاني هو مدرستي. ليتهم فكروا قبل هدم مدرستي أن هناك كان مستقبلي. كنت أتمنى أن يكون لي دفتر أكتب فيه ذكرياتي عن أصدقائي وأحبائي. لم أكون أعلم أن الحزن يعم وطني من المشرق إلى المغرب. وأنا أفكر في دفاتر ذكرياتي الذي يجمعني في أصدقائي وأحبائي. الكل من حولي قلبه موجوع وأنا لا أدري ما هو الموضوع. وجاء اليوم الموجوع إن أغادر سوريا بلا رجوع. يا وطني غادرتك بلا وداع ولا أعلم متى سيكون اللقاء. غادرتك ودموعي على خدي لا أجد أحد يمسح على شعري. تمنيت وداع أصدقائي وأرضي وذكرياتي ومدرستي ولكن لا وقت لي للوداع لأن الوطن صار في الضياع. شكوتك للواحد الأحد الذي دمر البلد. تمنيت أن أعيش طفولتي في بلدي لكن الظالم لم يرده أحدا. يا ليتني أرجع أبوس ترابك سوريا. انتبهوا بيت ادخلوه بهدوء. في خيال لا زال نائما هناك. تركت فيه إحساسا بالأمان والطمأنينة. لا تبعثوا بخزانتي فيها ملابس المعطرة بذكريات لا أحد يعرفها غيري. وفوق أحد الرفوف تتواجد بعض قصاصات الورق قديمة لا قيمة لها إلا عندي. لا ترفعوا وسادتي. فتحتها خبأت الكثير من الأحلام والآمال التي لا طالما حلمت بتحقيقها. لا تبعثوا برفوف كتبي ومذكراتي فما بين طياتها مثل للورود المعطرة وبعض الخواطر التي كنت أدونها في طفولتي. لا تزيل أثري من بيتي الحبيب فلعل قصدت العودة إليه يوما. لقد قتلتم قلوب البشر في وطني. أنكم لا تعرفون معنى الوطن. فالواو وفاء لدماء الشهداء الذي روت تراب الوطن. فالطاء طهر كل دم شهيد دافع عن أرض الوطن. فالنون نار مشتعلة في قلب كل أم حرقا على ولدها الشهيد. فداء الوطن وطني حبيب وطن.
My future belongs to me. My future is my name in bright lights, on set in the middle of nowhere. In my Scouse accent, doing what I love, for who I love. Representing my Yemeni roots, in New York City, London, all over the world.
Today's society is all about who's the most attractive and who's got the perfect body. We all try to fit in, but we always feel like an outsider watching from a distance, standing at the sidelines. As we stare and stare, it feels like drowning in our own emotions, sinking to the bottom in this cold, dark, abandoned soul. I feel like I'm a judge to myself. The words in my head, you look terrible, why do you look like that? Don't go out. Why should we all be scared?
Life is like a lift. You have many stages of it. You started at the very bottom where you felt so free. You felt like you was on top of the world. Then people realised and they wanted to tear it all down, but you let them comments go straight through one ear and down to the heart, leaving your heart like a black soul. Your heart was like a room with no doors or lights. But after many stages of the lift,
I'm scared of those who judge me. They judge me because I'm not like them. Yes, I'm different, but we all bleed the same blood and breathe the same air. Why treat me differently to those who are up to society standards? I hide my emotions and put a fake smile on my face. A mirror stands tall in front of me, reflecting every inch of my insecurities. Why do I even care? I should just walk away and save the pain for another day. I feel lonely even when I am not alone. I feel sad even when I act happy. I want to make it all go away even though I don't know how. There is a voice inside of you that whispers all day long. You're ugly, don't go out. Just listen to the voice that speaks inside. You're gonna listen to the voice in your head because you know you are beautiful and you know you fit in.
you found a door leading you to life. You followed it, leading to where you are now. Now, you're more confident than ever. Now, this time you're not gonna let them people get into your head. You are so powerful. You're like a honey badger. Search it up. They are the most fearless animals in the world. They may not be big and they may not have the loudest roar, but they never hesitate to attack. Like, you never hesitate to be the strongest person you can be. See you on the next lift, because I have got some pretty big shoes to fill.
I am the next superhero, and I am the next animated character, and I am the next best Netflix actor. Whatever I will become, I will do it with love, passion, and respect. My future is mine, and it belongs to me. What's your future?